Question number 20. Find the coordinates of the center of the circle passing through points P, Q, R. So P has coordinate 6 minus 6. R has coordinate 3, 3. Point Q with 3 minus 7. O be the center of the circle with coordinates AP. So OR is equal to OP is equal to OQ, radii of the same circle. Use distance formula. 3 minus of A whole square plus 3 minus of B whole square is equal to 6 minus A whole square minus 6 minus B whole square. Using A square minus 2AB plus B square. Cancel A square from both sides, B square from both sides. Like terms are collected. Like terms with variable A, terms with variable B. Simplified form of the equation, dividing by 6 throughout the equation, we have equation 1. OP square is equal to OQ square. 6 minus of A whole square minus 6 minus B whole square is equal to 3 minus of A whole square minus 7 minus B whole square. Using A square minus 2AB plus B square, then cancel A square from both sides, B square from both sides. Collect like terms with variable A and terms with variable B. So equation 2 is simplest form, 3A plus B is equal to 7. Either use elimination method or substitution method for equation 1 and 2 to get value of A as 3 and B as minus 2. Your question number 21. Find the possible pairs of coordinates of fourth vertex of the parallelogram. If three vertices are A 5 6, B 1 2 and C 3 minus 2. So ABCD is a parallelogram. Then AD is equal to BC and AB is equal to CD. Apply this. Use distance formula. AD square is equal to BC square. Distance formula. A minus of 5 whole square plus B minus of 6 whole square is equal to 3 minus of 1 whole square plus minus 2 minus of minus 2, that is plus 2 whole square. So this is 0. This is 2 square, that is 4. A square minus 2AB plus B square. Apply this. A square term, B square term, term with coefficient A, term with variable A, term with variable B, and then the constant term is equal to 0. Label it as equation 1. CD square is equal to AB square. Distance formula. Again, A minus of 3 whole square plus B minus of minus 2, that is B plus 2 whole square is equal to 5 minus 1 whole square plus 6 minus of minus 2 whole square. So this is 8 square, this is 4 square, 16. A square minus 2AB plus B square, A square plus 2AB plus B square. Apply it. Collect the terms, label it as equation 2. So point D lies on the line passing through A. So coordinate of point D. So this y coordinate is same. So B is 6. Here B is 6. Y coordinate is 6. So here also y coordinate, that is B. Value of B is 6. Therefore, this ordinate is same. Ordinate means y coordinate. So putting the value of B in equation 1. Solve this. Substitute value of B as 6. You have value of A as 3, 7. So possible values of D are D 3, 6 or D 7, 6. X coordinate is called abscissa and Y coordinate is called ordinate. So here this ordinate of point D is same. That's why we have taken B as 6. Last question from your problem set, that is question number 22. Find the slope of the diagonals of quadrilateral with vertices A, B, C, D. It is given. So slope of diagonal BD, ratio of difference in y coordinate to difference in x coordinate, BD. Difference in y coordinate to difference in x coordinate. So it is 0. Slope of AC. Slope of AC. Again, ratio of difference in y coordinates to difference in x coordinate. So it is 10.